In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and exit full screen in Brave. If you'd like to maximize your viewing space and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free browsing experience, then this tutorial is for you. Full screen mode in Brave browser allows you to use your entire display for web content by temporarily hiding toolbars, menus, and other interface elements. Whether you're reading articles, presenting information, or watching videos, full screen mode can help you stay focused on the content that matters most. Let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the menu icon, which gives you access to a variety of browser options and settings. Click the menu icon to open the drop-down menu. Within the menu, locate the Zoom section. Next to the Zoom controls, you'll see a full screen button. Click this button to activate full screen mode. As soon as you do, Brave will expand to fill your entire screen. The browser's toolbars, tabs, address bar, and menu options will be hidden from view, creating a larger workspace and a more immersive browsing environment. This can be especially useful when you're watching videos, viewing presentations, reading documents, or simply trying to minimize distractions while working online. When you're ready to return to the normal browser view, exiting full screen mode is quick and easy. Simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. Instantly, Brave will restore the standard interface, including the tabs, address bar, toolbar, and other navigation controls that are normally visible during regular browsing. The F11 key acts as a convenient shortcut, allowing you to switch between full screen mode and the standard browser view without opening any menus. There's also a faster way to enter full screen mode from the beginning. Instead of navigating through the browser menu, you can simply press F11 while Brave is open. The browser will immediately switch to full screen mode, giving you the same result with a single keystroke. Whenever you want to leave full screen mode, press F11 again. Because this key functions as a toggle, each press switches Brave between full screen mode and regular viewing mode. It doesn't matter whether you entered full screen through the menu or by using the keyboard shortcut. Pressing F11 will always allow you to return to the normal browser layout. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to enter and exit full screen mode in Brave browser using both the menu option and the F11 keyboard shortcut. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell